Hello everyone, I am Ritika. Welcome to class 10 with polynomials, chapter number 2, and this is second part of this chapter. In our first part, we discuss about polynomials, introduction of polynomials, type of polynomials and degree of polynomials. Today we learn about how we can find the number of zeros of a given polynomial by graphically. And for this, a polynomial p of x of degree n is any number, maybe 1 2 3 4, any number. The graph of y is equals to p of x means polynomial, intersect the x-axis at most n points. Therefore a polynomial p of x of degree n has at most n zeros. It means if you have given a polynomial p of x having degree n, then the number of zeros are the number of points that intersect the polynomial on x-axis. It means if polynomial in x means p of x, then the number of zeros. For example, this is given to us and we know this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is a line of any polynomial p of x. Then the number of zeros are means number of points of intersection on x-axis. Here 3 points are intersection points. It means this polynomial have 3 zeros. Let us take another examples. Let this example number 1. Look at the graphs in figure 2.9, this figure. Given below, each is the graph of y is equals to p of x, where p of x is a polynomial. For each of the graph, find the number of zeros of the p of x. ये हमें different graphs given है. There are 6 graphs and we have to find the number of zeros of these graphs. So here, अब ये graph हमें p of x है. It is given that p of x means polynomial in x. अब ये हमारी x axis, ये y axis. Then number of intersection point on only x axis, because polynomial is in x. The number of point of intersection on x axis, there is only one cut, one intersection point. It means this polynomial has only 1 zero. 1 zero means only one solution. 0 means solution of the polynomial. Here in the second polynomial, this is also p of x means polynomial in x. This is x axis, this is y axis, and number of intersection point are here 2 points. One is there, one is there. 2 points. It means this polynomial has 2 zeros. Means number of solutions of this polynomials are 2. Now in third diagram, this is also p of x, polynomial in x, x-axis, and this is y-axis, and number of intersection point 1, 2 and 3. 3 points of intersection are there. It means zeros of this polynomials are 3 zeros. Here 1 zero, here 2 zeros, here 3 zeros are there. Now next fourth diagram. This is also p of x, x-axis, this is y-axis, and only one intersection point at x-axis. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Only one intersection point means number of zeros are 1. Now here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, polynomial in p of x, and number of intersection point, maybe touch, maybe intersection. There is only 1 point. So here only 1 zero of this polynomial. Similarly, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and number of points of intersection are 1, 2, 3 and 4. there are 4 points of intersection. It means number of zeros of this polynomial are 4 zeros. Once again, this is linear polynomial because it has only one zero. This is quadratic polynomial, means two zeros. Two intersection point, two zeros, that means quadratic polynomial. Three intersection points means three zeros, means cubic polynomial. Here only one intersection point means one zero, means linear polynomial. Here only one intersection point, one zero, it means linear polynomial. Here 4 intersection points means 4 zeros, and this is called biquadratic polynomial. Similarly student, in our exercise 2.1, first question is the graph of y is equals to p of x are given in figure 2.10 below for some polynomial p of x. These are also graphs of some polynomial p of x, means polynomials in x. Find the number of zeros of p of x in each case. Now polynomial is in x, means you have to check how many cuts on the x-axis only. So in the first, you have to check how many cuts, how many intersection points in x-axis, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. This is your homework. You have to solve all these parts. Only 6 parts are there. There is only one question, and this question is about how we can find number of zeros of a polynomial if graphs are given to us. और ये important question है, एग्जाम में मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम 1 मार्क में ये क्वेश्चन पुटअप किया जाता है कि आपको एक डायग्राम गिवन होती है, पॉलिनोमियल बताया गया होता है कि वेदर इज इन पी ऑफ एक्स और या पी ऑफ वाई. अगर वाई में है देन यू हैव टू चेक नंबर ऑफ कट्स ऑन द वाई एक्सिस, और अगर एक्स में है देन यू हैव टू चेक ऑन कट्स ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस. अगर y में होगा पॉलिनोमियल तो आपको y के कट्स चेक करने हैं, अगर x में है तो आपको x के अकॉर्डिंगली ही कट चेक करने की x एक्सिस पे कितने इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट्स हैं. तो ये क्वेश्चन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन यहाँ से पूछा जाता है, एंड दिस इज़ फॉर योर होमवर्क. ओके, थैंक यू.